Hello, it's Monday, April 20th, 2024. I'm Jason Shapiro with CrowdedMarketReport.com. Not a lot to get super excited about today. Stocks didn't really go very well. The Nasdaq went up a lot. Dow went down quite a bit, and the S&P was just right in the middle. We do have Nvidia obviously coming out Wednesday. Nvidia looks like it's going to be coming into earnings either at new all-time highs or certainly very close to new all-time highs. Who's shorting the stock in front of earnings is beyond me, but let's see how the earnings come and let's see how the markets react. Funny that with the Dow, certainly that's where we're seeing speculators the longest here relative to other things, and we know because they are, as I've spoken about, they are chasing these Dow type stocks because they don't want to chase the tech type stocks. And I got a feeling that they're going to wish that they didn't do that. But time will tell. I guess if there was, the dollar really did nothing today. Bonds went down. Didn't help the dollar very much. Didn't go down a lot, but bonds certainly were down. I am not a big buyer of bonds here, that's for sure, especially the long end. I guess if there was anything interesting to speak of today, it was this platinum, because the metals, which is the center of the universe at this point, went up quite a bit, and platinum didn't really follow, right? The metals kind of went up very much overnight, and then so if there was something that was arguably kind of interesting here, it's that platinum opened on new highs, had a reversal day and closed on lows, and it did this, and you can see platinum is pretty crowded here. Other than the small specs, the large specs are pretty crowded along here, and the other metals sort of ripped higher earlier, came off quite a bit, silver and gold and everything, and copper, and then rallied back a good portion of the way, whereas platinum never rallied back and closed on lows. So I did speak about in the report this week how, any metals that sort of failed on that, I'd be looking to short. I can't short platinum, unfortunately, because of the small specs, but ignoring small specs, platinum was a horrible performer today. That's the kind of action I'll be looking for in order to get short copper or silver or something. I'm glad they didn't do that today, because quite frankly, I'm scared to short copper and silver, but will have to do if it had a day like platinum had today. So I think that's something to watch for. We obviously have some numbers coming out in the next couple of days on the currencies. Both the Canadian dollar and the British pound are going to get some action based on some numbers coming out in those countries to watch out for. But other than that, nothing too exciting, other than I think this platinum thing is something to look to as a guide to what I'm looking for to short the other metals. Okay, so that's really it today. Hope everyone had a good day, and we'll talk again tomorrow.